Christmas, everybody. It is December 25th in Guam, and I'm having a white sand Christmas. See the beach? It's a white Christmas. I'm here at Gun Beach, and I'm going to be looking around for some octopus holes. I think I found one, but it's so small I can't really see the creature inside, but I'll show you why I think it's an octopus hole. So I'm going to show you how to spot those. The two little white rocks have been specially placed right in front of that hole. Something put them there. Could be an octopus, could be another creature. I can't tell. I can't stick anything in that hole because I am in a marine preserve and I'm only taking pictures today. No creatures were injured. There's Two Lovers Point over there. And we're here at Gun Beach. Some friends over there. All these little white rocks show that some little creature has been digging out this hole. Is it an octopus? Is it a shrimp? It's hard to say, but I didn't see anything except a little fish. So anytime I see little white rocks moved out of the way, I check out the hole, see if I can spot an octopus. This is a spider conch. It vacuum cleans all the algae it can find on the reef. Now you can see its two little eyes. It's so cool. I'm using my macro setting on my other camera, and the eyes are just cool to look at. You're staring into the eyes of a spider conch. I found a nice octopus. Let me show you its hole. I saw some disturbed rocks around it, then peeked my head in. There's his eyeball watching me. Let's check it out. Here it goes. So this is pretty cool. The octopus den and the moray eel are within 2 feet of each other. And I've been trying to get some macro pictures or videos, but we're right here in the wave line, so I'm getting pushed to and fro. And so we'll see what I got when I got home. I think I got some good ones of the octopus. We'll see. So let's go check out where they are. Watch this octopus shoot out a strong jet of water that's stronger than the normal breathing. Did you see that? That is his warning to me that he doesn't want me peeking in his hole at him. So now he's calmed down and he's just sitting there trying to hide, breathing. That's his breathing tube. The water passes over his gills. He can breathe water. So we're just seeing his eye and his breathing tube. Inside that cavity is where all his internal organs are, like his gills and heart and liver and all that kind of stuff. Isn't it cool? This is the moray eel, and I couldn't get a super clear picture of him because of all the stuff floating around in the water, and he just kept moving back and forth and coming up to see me. So I think this hole has a mantis shrimp. See that thing move right there? I didn't get a clear look at it, but I'm pretty sure it was a mantis shrimp. This is a little snowflake eel poking his head out. This pretty fish is called a Moorish idol. There are two peacock flounders right there. One of them swims off, and the other one's right behind him. I didn't see the other one while I was filming this. I only saw this one that's swimming away. So when I watched the video, I noticed there were two. Sunset on Christmas Day.